Hi, this is John with WTI. And as I'm always trying to keep my little dog Noah as strong as possible, he's a French bulldog and he's built like a tank to a certain point. Whenever I'm trying to go out with him, he's like really strong. And this is where this Purina Pro Plan high protein food comes into place. So this flavor right here is the chicken and rice flavor. So as a human being, we all need like really good quality of food. And this right here for his experience has been like really good. The fact that he stays strong, the fact that he has like a really nice hair, and every time people look at him, it's like, wow, this is real strong. Is that every single time that he eats, he's really big on this eating, and he really likes this one a lot. The other day when I gave him the first chunk of this, he just like devoured it like crazy, really fast. Is a really nice thick and high protein for him to keep him strong, keep him healthy, and to keep him like in his experience, he's doing really good. He's being really strong, and he's just like enjoying this food overall. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.